Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. And I'm coming to you. I'm going to talk to you for a little while today. Is that okay? Okay, cool. All right, so I'm celebrating, and we are celebrating our 2-year anniversary because I've been with you for 2 years and you've been with me. Maybe some of you have been with me less, but nevertheless, you've been with me and you're with me now. That's the most important thing. Okay? And because of my 2-year anniversary, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So for the next 3 months, October, November, and December, on the 15th of each one of those months, I'm gonna be giving away a $25 gift card to Amazon. So I'll be giving away a $25 Amazon gift card in October this month, and then another one in November, and another one in December. So originally I said it was to qualify, you have to be a participant of oh God, I just got a complete blank here. Wait a minute. Patreon fund. Okay. But I've opened that up because I thought about that, and I want to be fair to others. So anyone that is a current Patreon donor, whether you donated one time or you continuously donate, which I had originally asked if you could donate $4 a month to help with the improvement in the cost of running this channel. Okay? And I'm opening that up to if you've donated once or you continue to donate every month. So that's if you donated through the Patreon, and also if you've donated through the GoFundMe, and also if you sent me any gift of love through to my P.O. box. Okay? So any one of those 3 avenues that you choose to participate in, you will be put into the drawing. Now the drawing will be on October 15th of this month. So that means the cutoff date is October, let me see. Let me make that October, I'm going to have to make that October 13th so that it gives me time to make the video and that sort of thing, okay? So that I can have it up on the channel for October 15th. So again, I had originally asked you to donate $4 a month towards my Patreon fund, which is a link on my channel to that, in support of this channel, and also GoFundMe. It is GoFundMe is not a regular monthly thing. It's a one-time thing, or whenever you want to contribute, and I appreciate that from the bottom of my heart. It takes a lot to run a village, right? And so I'm trying to run this village over here, and I'm doing okay, I must say. But I could improve a lot more with some additional help. Okay, so I'm running this video solo so that you can clearly understand the rules and that sort of thing of the giveaway. Okay? Alright, so look forward to hearing about the giveaway on October 15th. I thank you in advance, and I thank all those who have already contributed to the Patreon fund, to the GoFundMe, and who have sent me some gifts in the mail. Okay? and you will definitely be included. And the Patreon, just remember, you have to have had a active account from it was from last month, which was September, up until I said the 13th, okay, of this month. All right. Okay, so that's my announcement on the anniversary celebration. Also, I have some Amazon links on my channel. So if you go down there, you'll see the air fryer, the pressure cooker, all the items that I use in my kitchen. So if you want to buy something from Amazon, let's say you want to buy a TV over there, and I don't have that on my channel. If you hit any link on my channel, or if you hit the air fryer or the pressure cooker, you can go on over to Amazon, and you don't have to buy the air fryer or the pressure cooker. Anything you buy over there, because you hit my link, it will benefit me, okay? And it costs you nothing to do this. So that's another avenue that I'm trying to open up. So I would appreciate it if you would consider doing that, okay? All right, now I'm asking my family, because we're family, and you know, the Bible says ask and you shall receive. So I'm asking, okay? And only if you can, right? Because everybody is struggling and trying to make it, and I am too, you are too, and we're going to try to make it together if we can, okay? All right, that's Grandma Ray's announcement on the 2-year anniversary. And give yourself a hand. We have reached over 5,000 subscribers in 2 years. Give yourself a hand on that. You know, I cannot do anything without you guys. And I love, love, love all the comments, the feedback. You all are sharing the video. It is absolutely fabulous. I just love it. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Okay? All right, so that's the announcement on the Patreon, the GoFundMe, and the gifts that was sent to me to my P.O. Box. And my P.O. Box address is on my channel as well. Okay, so you know how to reach me now. All right, this is Grandma Ray. I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.